Going to see the Avengers?
Yep, we are. It's 10:03. We're gonna go see the Avengers at 10:30, and I'm so excited.
Me too.
You say as you yawn.
I just woke up, man. I just woke up.
And right this minute, Garth Brooks tickets for his, I think it's called, stadium tour or something, so at Autzen Stadium here in Eugene, are going on sale, and my mom's in line right now to try and get tickets for my sister and I's birthday, and I'm so excited for that. I saw him a couple years ago, and it was amazing, and Zach's never been to a concert, so that should be fun. Any thoughts?
I just wonder, how it's gonna be set up in the stadium, because...
When we saw Carrie Underwood at the Oracle, they had, it was like a huge stadium, and the way she had it set up was to where she could, work the entire, stadium.
So she's,
but
down
Austin's, huge, so they'll probably put, floor seats on the field, and then have him in the middle, and it'll probably be to where, he can walk all around the whole stadium. Okay guys, we're back from the movie. We will discuss that in a minute, but first I have a package, clearly from Erin Condren, but I don't know what's in it. I won this in a giveaway on Facebook. I'll link the group down below. The group's called Savvy Planners, and basically they're giving away 5 different planners, but you couldn't pick which one, so I have no clue what's in here. I don't remember the options. I think they had hourly, vertical, horizontal, petite, and one other one, but I don't remember. So we're gonna open this and find out. That was way easier to open than any Erin Condren package I've ever gotten. Normally the boxes take so long to freaking open. Here it is. It has a coil. I'm kind of hoping it's a horizontal because I've been wanting to try them. So here is the cover. It's backwards because I'm using the front-facing camera right now, but it just says she designed a life she loved. Got the little pouch, of course. And, oh, it's the vertical colorful. Okay. I mean, I'm already using a vertical for this year. I had commented on there saying I wanted to try something other than a vertical, but that's okay. I'll definitely still use it. And I was just thinking the other day, how I wanted to try out this again, maybe with the headers like this. So at least I can still try it out. That'll be nice. I'll probably just use this strictly for school. But yeah, be sure to go check out their group. Thank you, admins, so much for the giveaway. It was so sweet of you guys, and I can't wait to use it. Oh, and of course, the first coloring page I turn to is llamas. So. What did you think about the movie?
I think I'm gonna give it a dislike.
A dislike?
Yeah.
I honestly do not know what to think about it. I liked it, but at the same time I didn't like it.
It would have been better. I think the story is good. It was just since Disney is the one in charge of it, they were just too politically correct.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Yeah.
Because they did the same with Star Wars.
Did they?
Yeah.
I haven't. The only Star Wars new one that I've seen was that one we saw when you came home the very first time. But
yeah,
I don't know. I'm just I have no idea what to think about it. I don't know whether to like it or dislike it. So you should definitely go watch it for yourself, because I can't put my thoughts into words. I can't even put my thoughts into thoughts. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Can you want to film a movie or review of it?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was thinking about doing a blog post for it, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a dislike.
Dislike.
Yeah.
I think I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I do not like the ending, and
Wait, the ending? Like what part?
I'm not gonna say. I don't want to
Buddy, by
spoil
the time
it.
someone watches this...
No, it's gonna go up like tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Alright, tell me off camera.
I will. I don't like the ending, and there was like a couple spots that I felt were like too... Like, I don't like political statements in movies and stuff, like entertainment. I just think it should be kept separate from politics, and so I didn't like those parts of it.
Yeah.
The other thing that neither one of us liked about the movie is there's no end credit scene this time, which kind of sucked because, like he just said, like Marvel's known for that in their movies. And the movie theater left the lights off like there was gonna be one, so we literally sat there for like 10 minutes, maybe longer, waiting for the end scene, and it never happened. So that kind of sucked. So just so you guys know, if you go see it, there's no end scene.
Oh, you have your video. Huh?
Head right there.
Right where?
Come right here and smile for a thumbnail. Oh, she's laying down.
For a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Ugly smile.
Your smile is not ugly.
It is.
Your beard is turning red.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shave it.
It's like 6 hours later now, and we're going to good old Freddy's and McDonald's so he can get some soda and I can get a fruit parfait because I'm craving fruit. We don't have any, and yeah. This light looks weird because there's a red light. It's the next day now, but we're gonna end the vlog because we forgot to yesterday. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Hard to get that out of the way.
Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in our next video probably next weekend. My dad's gonna be in town, so I don't know what we're gonna vlog yet, but yeah, bye.
Bye.